Hello class, let's start part 8 motion. So what is uniform circular motion? A special form of 2D motion is circular motion where speed is constant but direction changes. That's why we say that it's a accelerated motion. Question is the direction of velocity changes at every point to y. This we will discuss after this. Circular motion is accelerated motion even if the speed of the object remains constant. Speed is constant. How come we say that accelerate? It is an accelerated motion. Let's see. So first of all, we should know. Let's know about uniform circular motion. Definition wise, if I will ask, what you will say when a point object, small body, a point object can be a small body or a particle, is moving on a circular path with a constant speed, the motion of the object is said to be uniform circular motion. Like example, the moon revolving around the earth in a circular path with a constant speed. Every time I'm repeating the same word speed, remember this thing, then too we say that it is an accelerated motion. In previous part I have told you that what is means how you will define acceleration, the rate of change of velocity, and in velocity we need both magnitude plus direction. So speed gives us magnitude only, but velocity gives us magnitude plus direction. So here, if magnitude is constant, the what is changing? Exactly, direction is changing. Acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity, that is, a body is said to be accelerated if its velocity changes with time. This change in the velocity is due to change in magnitude or direction. Magnitude of a body remains constant here in case of uniform circular motion, but the direction of motion changes at every point of the circle. Let me show you figure. So here in this picture you can see direction is changing. Here direction is towards north. Here direction, and this force is your centripetal. When we are talking about circular motion, that this force is towards center and we call it centripetal force. And here tangential to, here on its tangential we show its velocity, direction. And when we leave any stone, suppose any stone we tied from a string, and we as we left the stone, it will go, it suppose if the stone is here, it will go in a straight direction like this, because here it stone's direction is towards north. Here at this point stone direction is towards south, means towards west. This is west, this is towards north, and this is towards south, and this will towards your east. So at every point direction will change, so we say that it is an accelerated Next, speed of the body in uniform circular motion. How can we calculate speed? Consider a body moving in a circular path. The distance traveled by the body in one round of the circular path. Round of means one round, and its circumference is of 2 pi r. So distance traveled by this particle on a circular path is total 2 pi r, and we know how to calculate speed. V is equal to distance by time. So our distance is 2 pi r, so time is t. Here we will calculate speed. This is the speed. Let me do this. The speed of the body moving in a circular path is given. V is equal to 2 pi r by t. R is radius of the circular path. Radius means this, from the center to its one of the point on the circumference. This is your radius. T, time taken to complete one round of the circular path. So this was about your this is about your uniform circular motion. This was our last topic in your chapter motion. Now we will start next chapter. In next part I will tell you some important points and one or two numerical based on this. After that you can ask some question related to each and every topic. Before stopping this part, let's discuss some study tips. This you will not get written in any kind of numerical. You have to understand this. If a body starts from rest, then u is equal to 0. B, if a body stops or comes to rest, then v will be 0. It is understood. If a body moves with a uniform constant velocity, then a is equal to 0. If it's talking about constant velocity, then direction is also not changing and magnitude is also not changing. So here a will be 0. Thank you.